To use Magic Eraser on Pixel 8a, start in the Play Store and update Google Photos to the latest version, otherwise the next steps won't work. In Google Photos, select the photo you would like to use Magic Eraser on and then tap the Edit button. Then swipe across until you see Tools and then tap on the Magic Eraser. If there are obvious suggestions like a person in the background ruining your shot, it will find them. In this case, there's nothing obvious here as it's stars. So to remove something manually, just circle it like that. And it's just going to remove those stars there. So give a couple seconds. And you can see the stars have been removed. And once you're happy, tap Done. And then tap Save Copy. So your original image will still be available, but it will create a new image. And you can see it's been edited.